This is where we produce our electric motorcycle. If you have been looking for where to buy electric motorcycle, Tycorun is the best place for you to get your electric motorcycle. Come, let's go and see how the production takes place. We produce our electric motorcycle with high quality materials to give our customers the best. How you can see, everything is being manufactured and tested before being sent out there to avoid any form of complications. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to get your electric motorcycle from Tycorun Motorcycle Factory.